Hello everyone, this is Handmade by Gardena. Welcome to my channel. I hope everyone is having a good day. This is day one of the 5-day collaboration of hashtag 5-day Val Digi. So it's hashtag the number 5 day Val VAL Digi for Valentine's Day. And this is a collaboration with Cara Brandon and Dearjulijulie. This is day one for Dearjulijulie sheet. We've got an envelope with a calling card. This fits into the envelope, a little card, and some small ephemera here. 3 journaling cards, and this pretty rose, which my printer cut off the little rosebud. And Cara Brandon has this gloss sheet. So this is what I ended up making. So the first thing that I did was I made the little envelope and I distressed everything with worn lipstick, if I can spit it out, which it's a little bit bright, so I'm trying to not use a lot of it, so I just use a little. So I folded the little envelope together and glued it. Put one of the small ephemera on the back of it. And then there's the little rose. And just put it in there. So there's the envelope with the card. Another thing that I did is I made another envelope with part of the collage sheet from Cara Brandon, and it just unfolds, and it unfolds out, and you can either put it in a pocket or you can glue this part here onto a page and it can fold out, and it just gives you a place to write. So it's just a place to write, or you can even put a paper clip it onto your journaling page. So there's another envelope that we made. Another thing I did is I made a belly band. Took part of Cara Brandon's collage page. I cannot speak today for some reason. Made it 2 inches wide. Gosh, I can't say my words today. And then as tall as the collage was. And this is one of the things that I won from Tracy May on the 10-minute challenge. And I put it on the front with some music page and some dictionary page that I got from Tracy May. And put Dearjulie's image on it here. One of her journaling cards and one of her small ephemera here. And one of Dearjulie's hearts here, and you open it up when it's a belly band, and you can tuck something under the belly band. You open this up and you can also write in it, so it gives you extra journaling spaces. So there's another thing that I made. I also made, this is one of the journaling cards from Dearjulijulie, which I didn't do anything to it. Had some left over that I made some tags out of from Cara Brandon's collage sheet, which right now they're plain, but later on we will probably add some things to them. So I have that. And then I also made a little mason jar that has a pocket on the back of it. So what I did is I cut 6 inches tall by 2 1/4 inches wide. And you use the envelope punch board. And what you do is when it's open, you take and you put your envelope at the 4-inch, punch it, You would punch it at 4 inches and then turn it over this way, punch it at 4 inches, and then let me make you one real quick. I think I have a piece of paper right here. Hopefully I won't move you that much. I'll have to, this is a 6x6 piece of paper, so I will have to cut it down for you. I got this idea from Shabby Dabby Doodah. So since it's 6x6, we just need to make it 2 3/4 wide. So there's that. So we are going to punch it at the 4, turn it over, punch it again at the 4, and there's that. And then here, you go to where this right here is at the tip, punch it. Here, punch it again. This must be longer than, yeah, this is 8 inches. So, I was like, this is longer than 6 inches. So, let's take a little bit off. Because what we're going to do is, it's going to make a pocket in the back. So then that makes you done with your envelope punch. And what you'll do is you will fold it up, varnish it with your bone folder, and you just glue your sides up the side. Take it and cut these off the side here, and then that makes the lid of your jar. So that didn't cut right where it wasn't 6 inches. So make sure it's 6 inches, because it was 8 inches. I thought it was a 6x6 piece of paper, but evidently it wasn't. It was 8-inch paper. But that would be your mason jar, and then on the back would be your pocket. So you would have a 6 inches long by 2 3/4 wide jar. And I just put a little bow up here at the top. Put Dearjulie's calling card on there that says Miss Hattie Stewart, and her other small piece of ephemera here with some cheesecloth that's been coffee dyed. And I put some of the worn lipstick on the cheesecloth. Turn it over, and I put her journaling card in it. And then there's her rose. And I ended up cutting the rosebud off, because where my printer had cut half of it off anyway, I just went ahead and took it off. And then I glued this on to keep this from sliding off. So there is our little mason jar pocket that you can put inside of a pocket, or you can paper clip on to the side of a page, a journaling page. And that's what I made of day 1 of the 5 days of the Valentine digis with Cara, Brandon, and Dearjulijulie. I hope everyone joins in. In the description box, I will put a link of Cara, Brandon, and Dearjulie's Etsy shop. Right now, these digitals are 50% off. So anyone can join in with this. And if you do, make sure that you use the hashtag so we can all watch your video. You can join in with this. We would love for you all to join in with this and get together with all of us. We're called the Valentine's Day Elves. We did this at Christmas and we did 12 days then, and we had such a wonderful time. We had so much fun together. So I'm glad they decided to do this again, and hopefully they'll do it later on this year. And so tomorrow will be day 2, and each day, which this is 5 days, you take Cara Brandon's digital page and Dearjulie's page, and you combine them together and you make something. So, and then at the end of the 5 days, I will make a small journal, or I will make something with everything, all the ephemera that I've made. So for my first day, I've used up all my bits and pieces. So I have quite a bit of ephemera just for my first day. And I'd like to welcome all my new subscribers. I'd like to welcome back all my returning subscribers. I am so grateful for each and every one of you all. I hope you all are having a good day. I hope you all are staying safe. Hope everyone is still doing those happy thoughts at least 30 seconds a day. Try to go up to a minute. Everyone can do a minute of happy thoughts a day. Let's do a minute a day. Try to spread that along. Have a positive thinking of 1 minute a day to make things go much easier. So that is my challenge to you all, is to have happy thoughts, happy memories, just anything that makes you smile for a minute each and every day. We all need that right now. That would be wonderful. And if you can, spread that along to someone else, to an elderly person, to a child, to someone your own age. Even just give a friend that you haven't talked to a phone call in a while and just say, hi, hello, how are you? I've missed you. Just for 1 minute a day. And my happy thought is these minutes right here of sharing what I've made with you all today. So you all have given me my 1 minute of happiness today. I'm happy that you all have joined me. I'm almost to my 100 subscriber mark. So that makes me really, really happy and excited. And as soon as I get to my 100 subscribers, I will have a giveaway that will be for the U.S. and international. I will make something and do a giveaway. And if it's during these 5 days of digis, I'll have to do it after that. And I want to thank everyone. I want everyone to stay safe. Remember to do that happy thought for 1 minute a day. Put a smile on your face. To be contagious with those smiles. Thank you all so much, and I will see you all tomorrow. Goodbye.